Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you in simple steps how to clean the heads of an Epson printer model L3110 without using a computer. To be able to do the process, we will do the following. With the printer on, we will press for 3 seconds the last button of the printer on the right side, as you see in the video. Once you press it, the power button will start to flash. So the printer will begin to perform the entire cleaning process, so we will leave it there without interrupting it until the process is finished, which takes approximately 5 minutes. There we can see how it is performing the cleaning process. Once the cleaning process is finished, the light will stop. Now we will do a color test. For this, we will turn off the printer and put paper in the tray. Once off, we will press these 2 buttons together until the green button lights up. This will print a color test, where we will have to verify the colors as they were printed. If the colors came out printed correctly without alterations in their shape and printing, the process will have been a success. If not, we will have to repeat the process again. I hope I have helped you guys, and as always, I leave you the invitation to subscribe. See you in the next video.